All right, y'all, this is a delicious recipe courtesy of my boyfriend for ribs. First off, you're going to remove that silver skin from your ribs. Run it under some hot water to help you remove that skin. Next, you're going to add you some yellow mustard. And you want to make sure to slather your ribs down in the mustard. Next, you're going to add a brown sugar rub over your ribs. We use the Kinder's brown sugar rub. You want to do that on both sides of your ribs. Then you're going to bake 3 hours at 250 degrees. Check those ribs. Yum. Now you're going to add your barbecue sauce. Slather that on. We like to use Stubbs barbecue sauce, but you can use what you want. Put it back into the oven for an hour. And then you're going to broil or grill it for 5 to 10 minutes more after that hour. And you have delicious ribs.
This is the cook, y'all.
Look at that. Tender, fall off the bone.
Good.